Reflection on Episode 35, Season 1. Untold Past, Female Warrior Bellemere. This episode dives deep into Nami's tragic backstory, revealing her painful childhood and the sacrifices made by her adoptive mother, Bellemere. It is an emotional turning point that explains why Nami was forced to work for Arlong, revealing the depth of her suffering and resilience. Lessons learned, sacrifice for loved ones. Bellemere's ultimate sacrifice for Nami and Nojiko shows the extent of a mother's love. Freedom is priceless. Nami's suffering under Arlong reminds us of the cruel reality of oppression and how true freedom is worth fighting for. Trivia and insights. Bellemere's story is one of the most heartbreaking in One Piece. Daily thought. Sometimes the deepest love comes with the greatest sacrifices. True strength is born from pain, and those who endure hardship often have the most powerful stories to tell.